Hello guys, welcome to our channel Gaming Hub. Today we are going to unboxing a LED music bulb, which I ordered from Flipkart. Let's know something about this. It is a RGB bulb with Bluetooth and speaker system. Do like subscribe to this video till I unboxing it for such interesting videos. Here is the wonderful bulb which I ordered from Flipkart. The quality of packing is too good and safe. They care all the thing to protect it from any destroyment. Let's take out the bulb from the box. In the box there is a card of coupon, a remote to control the lighting of the bulb and control the music control also from remote, and last one is our main product, that is our bulb. The details of this bulb is displaying on the right side of your screen. I can tag the link of the product in the comment section and the description box. We can order this product from the given link address. The bulb is too awesome and looking. If we wanted the full video on this product, we can just visit my channel and also we can see the full video from the link which I pinned in description box. So how is my video? Just comment me on the comment section. Do like subscribe to our channel Gaming Hub for such videos. Thank you guys for watching.